Hello friends, I am G.Soundarya from Narayana Olympiad School, Chennai-Porur. Let us learn about rule of power of a quotient. So before getting into this topic, let us know what is exponent, as this topic majorly deals with exponents. So exponent is derived from a Latin word called exponere, which means expands. I repeat, exponent is derived from a Latin word called exponere, which means expands. Exponent is the number which says how many times the base should be multiplied. Exponent is also called as index or power. So here we have an example of exponent. Here 8 is the base and 2 is the exponent or power or index. So now we are going to learn about exponents and its laws. Exponents have 8 laws associated to solve exponential expressions and equations. The exponential laws are product of powers, quotient of powers, power of a power, power of a product, power of a quotient, negative exponent, identity exponent and zero exponent. So today we are going to learn about quotient of powers. Quotient power rule. This is one of the exponential laws which is applied to divide exponents having the same base. This law cannot be applied for exponents having different bases. I repeat, this is one of the exponential laws which is applied to divide exponents having the same base. The formula applied for this is a power m by a power n. If m is greater than or equal to n, then the answer will be a power m minus n. A power m by a power n, and if m is less than n, then 1 by a power n minus n. So let us see some examples based on these formulas. Example 1 is based on the first case, that is, if m is greater than or equal to n. Here, 5 power 4 by 5 power 3. Here 4 is greater than 3. So 5 power 4 minus 3, which gives 5 power 1, which is 5. And the simplified method of this one is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 into 5, and we get the answer as 5. The next example is based on the case 2, if m is less than n. Here 2 power 2 by 2 power 3, and 3 is greater than 2, where n is greater than m. So 2 power 2 minus 3, which gives 2 power minus 1. The simplified method of this formula is 2 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here we get the answer as 1 by 2. Let us recall what we have learnt in this lesson. We have learnt the formula of quotient power rule. If m is greater than or equal to n, then a power m by a power n is equal to 1 a power m minus n. If a power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a power n minus n, then m is less than n. Let us solve some exercise based on these sums. 4 power 3 by 4 power 2. Here the bases remain same and we have to work out only with the powers. Here 3 minus 2, which gives 1. So 4 power 3 minus 2 gives 4 power 1, which is 4. The second exercise is 22 power 8 by 22 power 5. The bases do not change and we have to work out with the powers. So 22 power 8 minus 5 gives 22 power 3. The next one is 12 power 9 by 12 power 9 is equal to 12 power 9 minus 9, which gives 0. So any number power 0 gives 1. So 12 power 0 is equal to 1. 8 power 5 by 8 power 7. Here the power of the denominator is greater than the power of the numerator. So we have to apply the formula 1 by a power n minus n. So the 1 by 8 power 5 minus 7, which gives 8 power minus 2, which is none other than 1 by 8 square. The last example is 65 power 3 divided by 65 power 9, which is equal to 65 power 3 minus 9, which is equal to 65 power minus 6, which is 1 by 65 power 6. Thank you for the opportunity to participate in Little Teachers.